In our last session, we conducted a fun activity which helped the students to understand the concept of collecting and sorting data. Now, using the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, we will initiate another activity. This activity is to include the integration of the collected shapes into forms and composition. Start the activity by drawing a composition on the board which can consist of one or more geometrically shaped objects. For example, a hut can be drawn into 2 rectangles and 1 triangle. Then, ask the students to count the number of shapes used to draw the composition. In this case, the number of shapes would be 3. We can also draw a flower using a circle and 5 triangles around the circle. The total number of shapes will be 6. Similarly, a mountain can be drawn using triangles. Likewise, many such compositions can be made. Next, instruct the students to paste the shapes that they have in their notebooks to create the compositions that we've made on the board. Advise the students to use chalks to draw shapes if they fall short of cutouts. Provide the students with enough time to complete the activity. Now ask the students to count the number of shapes used to make each composition. Conclude this activity by asking a few questions to the students to grab their attention. Begin by asking, which composition used the maximum number of total shapes? Then ask, which composition used the minimum number of total shapes? Accept all the possible responses. Further, ask them to mention the composition which used the maximum number of triangles. And also ask them to mention the composition which required the maximum number of circles. Similarly, many more questions can be asked to the students, and the responses to all the questions should be noted. Thus, we can now conclude the chapter. By implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, students will now be able to associate words with pictures, name familiar objects seen in the pictures, respond orally in any language to comprehension questions related to stories or poems, listen to English words, greetings, polite forms of expression, simple sentences, and respond in English or any language to talk about self, situations, or pictures. Interested to know more about such unique and innovative teaching ideas? Then stay tuned with us.